Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to activate launch control in a BMW, let's go in the garage, in a 2023 BMW 540 IM Sport. So this should pretty much work for any newer model BMW, even the old ones. I'm pretty sure they launch the same way. I'm not entirely sure how the manual transmission cars launch. I don't know if it's the same way or not, but this is mostly for the automatic transmission vehicles. And I will be showing you guys how exactly to launch it. So let me see. I don't know, there's a whole bunch of cars here. I'm trying to go somewhere where there's, I'm not gonna launch it here, but I'm just gonna show y'all. And then I'm gonna actually launch it somewhere else. But if I do end up finding, if this one's empty, I'm just gonna, alright, fuck it, we're just gonna do it here. Okay, so what you wanna do is, first things first, don't mind me, I'm in my pajamas. So first things first, you're gonna wanna click your traction control button once. So when you click it once, it's gonna say traction, optimum traction with reduced chassis, blah, blah, blah. So you just click it once, and on your gauge cluster, it should show up and say sport traction. Okay, next what you wanna do is you wanna put your gear selector in the sports transmission mode. So what this is not manual mode. You can engage manual mode by using one of the paddles, and once you click it, now you're in manual mode. And if you hold the upshift pedal, it's gonna automatically go back to automatic mode. So you'll have to also be in sport. I'm in sport individual, and that's only because, well, that doesn't really matter. So okay, now your car is set up to launch, and what you're gonna want to do is, let's do this. So right here you can see, I mean, I'll zoom in on it. Right here is how much boost I'm making. And then what you're gonna want to do is you want to smash the gas pedal, or no, smash the brake pedal down all the way down, and then smash the gas. And once you do that, right here it should say launch control active, so we can just do that. And then pay attention to this side and also this side. So it's gonna tell me my launch control is active, and this is right here is where I'm building boost, and you're gonna see my RPM shoot up. I'm not gonna launch. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'm most likely not gonna launch. So you see how my boost is building? See, I just slid out there because the car is fucking cold as shit. Oh, the video ended. The car is cold as shit, and I don't want to launch the car right now, even though I just did. But pretty much, why I had you guys pay attention to this side right here is because if you hold the traction, or if you hold the launch control longer, you're gonna pretty much end up building boost. And obviously there's gonna be a max peak. Like, I'm not asking you guys to hold it for fucking 15 seconds and end up breaking something or some shit, or whatever happens. But you're gonna want to have launch control engaged for, I'd say, about, like, you're supposed to smash down on your brake pedal and your gas pedal for about I want to say somewhere around 3 seconds. Okay, because if you just do launch control like instantly, like here, I'm not gonna do it, but if you press down on the brake and the gas, you're not gonna build boost. And then if you instantly let off the gas, like, you're gonna have a weak ass launch. So if you want the best possible launch, and this goes for any turboed car, you're gonna have to build boost. You're gonna have to rev up those RPMs and then build boost. What I recommend for launching, make sure your car is warm and your tires are warm. So by making your tires warm, either you can just drift, I guess, or you can take the car out on the highway and actually, or you could go like what's it called, like on a canyon drive, I guess, and just warm up the tires a little bit. Just make sure you go at a pretty fast speed, like somewhere around 50 to 70 miles per hour. So if you do that for around, I'd say 10 minutes, your tires are gonna be pretty warmed up. So you're gonna want to do that, and then make sure your engine temp's not cold and other shit like that. Just make sure your car is all around warm, and then you should pretty much have a good launch. So yeah, that's how you launch your car, or your BMW. Damn, I forgot I said that I was gonna launch the car, so let me get finish with doing something real quick, and then I'm gonna launch the car for you guys. So in case anybody was wondering what the car looked like, this is what it is. Those are temp tags. I don't care about it. I don't even care if I had that rear license plate on it.